Alright guys, so here for Jesse's Jetta. You get it now.
You go.
Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of our vlog. So today is a super special thing. Okay, so we're here at Halle65 and we have a customer car here, and the customer gave Halle65 the allowance to film the car, and they asked me if I want to do so, and of course I love to introduce you into the car. So we have a 1995 Jetta. It's the build that Jesse had in the Fast and Furious in the first movie. What was actually the movie that brought me into cars. Okay, so the Supra, the GDI, the Mercedes, all cars that I had were come out of these movies. Okay, it changed my entire life, and this is why I'm even more excited to speak about the car. And also the clip you saw in the beginning. This feels like a dream to me. Okay, this car is absolutely amazing. We come to the details in a second. So the original film car was owned back then by Frankie Muniz, and it was pretty funny because when they were on making the film, Frankie Muniz is the actor that is from Malcolm Within, so you're all gonna know them. Okay, and actually it was his car. Okay, and so they adapted it and they brought the car into the movie. Very amazing fun fact. The movie car got a Wings West body kit. What you also see here, I'll show you here. Yeah, Wings West, and it's that's what we have here as well. Okay, also the spoiler, I think they stopped selling them a while ago. I'm not pretty sure if you still get those. Let me know in the comments if you know if we can still purchase these spoilers, but they're super rare, as I figured out in my research of the car. And of course we have the typical, in Germany we say it's like the Golf 3 headlight, where we have the two separated bulbs in, and we don't have the whole glass on it. What also we have like a Brembo front brake, okay, and the Konig wheel like we have it at the original car as well, and of course the sticker design. And this is, I don't know what you guys think, but after the Supra and after the Mitsubishi Eclipse, this is of course Dom's RX-7. I think this is the most iconic sticker design so far we have seen for a while. The interesting fact about this car though is that as we have TOV regulation in Germany, what the owner did is he made a Sparco backseat, right? Look at this. So we have here a complete seat bank made from Sparco. Okay, so super cool. And of course we have Sparco seats. We have also the steering wheel is from Sparco, and there's also a protection film over it that the Alcantara does not get ruined. Also the interior is, look at this detail, it's so lovely with the gauges, and also the Alpine radio you see here. Yeah, we used to have these around 2002 and 2003. This whole car, man, is so nostalgic. I'm freaking out completely. Okay, it's guys, this car is fantastic. But before we come to the engine spec of this one, we're gonna grab Eric, because no doubt about it, he got way more clue about the engine specs and the brake specs of this car than I have. So let me grab him and catch you guys in a bit. As promised, we're here again. Hello. With Eric. We don't see anything because the sun is. But I think they're gonna see us perfect by now. So as you see, we have a complete history of the car, because I mean that's a car we can speak to the viewers. I mean, if you see that on the road, what would be your first thought?
I would crash into the railguard because I would look at the car and not on the road.
Yeah,
so
it's a blast, is it? It's. I mean, guys, it looks good on the video. If you see it in real life, it's a complete blast, I tell you. So I showed already the exterior a little bit, like the Wings West body kit, and I showed the Alcantara Sparko steering wheel, also blended in at the movie, like the signature from Chad, right?
Yeah.
So what exactly do we have under the hood here?
So the engine itself is like. So I have my.
Yes. We have the we have the notes.
Welcome to German registration documentation.
Yeah.
So the engine is a 1.8 turbo from an Audi TT.
Oh, that's fast. It's okay. I mean, the original movie one had like 150, 180 horsepower.
Yeah. So this is also 180 horsepower.
Okay.
Stock.
Okay. So
for now.
So we catch that up. Okay. Sure.
Another downpipe. We have some original Konig Tantrum wheels.
Yeah, that's super rare. They're super rare. So let me know in the comments if you know still a shop where you get these wheels, but I don't think.
I think they're not in production anymore.
They're not in production anymore.
No.
Yes. I mean, between us, the movie is like what, 23 years old by now. 20? No,
2000.
older. 2000.
25 years.
Oh my god. Okay.
We are old.
Yeah, we are. We are.
Yeah.
So what else do we have?
It continues. The rear brakes are from the donor car, from the engine, from the Audi TT.
Okay.
The front Brembos are from a Porsche Boxster.
It's so I told him earlier it's a Brembo brake, but it's not. It's from Porsche Boxster.
Yeah, but that's a Brembo.
That's
brake.
a Brembo one.
Yeah,
Okay, cool. Thanks for clarification. Yes.
Because we need certifications.
Yes.
That's the part number from Porsche.
And another thing I have to beep out.
That's not going to be family friendly when we're speaking about registration.
It's not.
Yeah, rear wing is from Wings West USA.
Yeah, that's so great.
Front lip Wings West. Rear
It's
lip,
a whole body kit.
everything Wings West.
Yeah.
The exhaust is Sebring exhaust.
That's fantastic. I mean, back then, you had like Borla or Sebring in the US, or is there anything else where you say, okay, what's the number one muffler you're gonna put in?
Flow.
Yeah, Magna. Okay,
Flow
if it's a JDM one, you have like Magna Flow, but
they are doing very much many mufflers for like American muscle sensor also. Yeah?
Okay, that's a fair point.
So,
that's a fair point.
But
Yes,
we only see the hard cannons.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah. So we got this, and then the Sparko steering wheel, Sparko front seats.
I have mentioned already the rear seats. Are at the original car they were like 4 Sparko seats, right?
I'm not quite sure. It could possibly be because this is like the owner said it's like 98% replica.
Okay.
So absolute most likely correct car.
Okay,
it could be that in the movie you see the head bumps and suggest that this is original of single seat, but maybe it's a complete.
Maybe. Okay, so here's the thing. Okay, let us know in the comments if the original car has 4 seats or it really had like one complete Sparko bank in it where you can probably sit on as well. I mean, for TÜV regulation, that's the legal way in Germany.
That's the legal
Is it?
way. Yeah.
Right. Yes.
And
Absolutely.
The owner said it was such a journey to gather all these parts.
Yeah.
I think the car is in the making for now like 8 or 10 years or so.
Wow.
He went out for quite a few meets already.
Yes.
So like you see him most likely on race wars and stuff.
Yes.
So,
yes.
Race wars.
Of course, race wars.
Yeah.
But I think he lost the last races then against Johnny, did he?
Yeah, because he shot too soon.
Yeah, he shot too soon.
Yeah, but now the owner wants to drive the car on the street and decided to go the full TÜV registration process. And
I mean, it makes sense if you have such a nice car to have it fully street legal.
Yeah,
right.
And all those final details. So the car needs a little bit of love. I mean, you see, it's like rusted brakes and stuff. So the car needs to be driven more. But for a
Yeah.
good reason you start this when the car is street legal.
Yeah,
so you know, okay, now I
yes,
can drive it,
absolutely,
and
yes.
now I finish everything.
Yes.
He said the last really important thing he's missing is the old school Sony head unit.
But here's the thing. Do you really think we're gonna get one of these? Because
you can. Yeah, he said he didn't do it because it's way too expensive.
absolutely.
Yeah, so you get
Yeah.
nothing, no Bluetooth, no
Yeah.
aux, no nothing, and spend like 500 to 600 euros because it's an old school unit.
Yeah.
Um,
Yeah, I mean, at the end of the day, yeah, there we go. There's the DVDs. I used to have them in my Mercedes as well, and also had like a DVD player to watch the movies when I was not driving. I was standing in the parking lot, right, and
Of
watching
course,
a movie,
yeah,
of course. So fantastic car. Full stop.
yeah, but the car will be here for quite a long time, so
Yeah.
this is it's a journey
It's
now
a journey.
for TÜV.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Most of the paperwork we already have, but some
Yeah.
small things are missing.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's
let's
it.
see.
That's great.
Yeah. So we'll definitely see it again.
That's perfect. And if you guys know where to get a cheap Sony head unit or radio unit, let us know as well. I think we have one owner here who really would appreciate
Yeah.
the support.
Yeah.
Right? So you guys now are watching some more clips from the car. And saying that, thank you so much, Eric, for
No problem.
having us again. And also we after the clips we see like the cold gets a new engine.
Yeah,
Today.
the nasty cold. Yeah.
So it's the second weekend we are here and we're plugging in engines in some cars.
Yeah.
Okay, that actually means 1st of April comes more earlier.
Yeah. Yeah, for sure. Yeah.
So, okay guys, so we did not film how the engine of Mishy's Cold went in because we've been, he said we could be lucky because he was screaming, yelling so hard because something broke, right?
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
So,
Show it.
I'm gonna show it, yeah, give me a second. So, what you saw earlier in the footage, we mounted the engine on a trolley, okay? And the trolley broke. You see? And this caused some issues, but now finally the engine is in, and we can't wait until this thing will run. And if you see up here, so we managed to have all these cables in, and yo, where's the turbo? Okay, it's coming. So we're gonna film how they mount the turbo, and I can't wait if we hear the thing tonight, do we? Okay, Mishy doesn't look confident. Okay, so quick update. So we have Nate here also, and he got a pretty awesome 350Z, right? And you're gonna have to do some work on your car as well.
We're gonna put on the side skirts and put more. I forgot what it's called, but we're gonna make it more stable.
More stable,
Because
okay.
right now it's only holding here,
Okay.
and on the top here, there.
I
and we're
remember
gonna
that, yeah.
have the bottom as well
Okay.
being held.
Okay, so we can now blend in some pictures from, or some clips when we mounted the bumper in first time. So you can enjoy these clips now, and so you're up to date, and then we're gonna go over to the side skirts. Okay, so the main issue that the bumper is still super wobbly. So the basic idea is put a metal piece here and make like a bridge over here to stabilize it right there. Okay, so that's one thing. So Nate is gonna cutting now the metal piece, and then we're gonna see if we're gonna fit them in to give this whole thing more stabilization. Okay, so we have a big moment now because we finally place Mrs. Turbo on the cold. Here we go, guys, okay? Voila, that looks fantastic. Look at this. Oh. This is, guys, this is exactly what we're making. Oh. That looks amazing, does it? Oh my gosh, that looks fantastic. So, super cool. I can't wait to hear that roaring, okay? Super cool. So, the next stop is, so we already took, as you saw, the wheels off, and we're gonna mount now the side skirts, and then we have some food. I think people are preparing some food, and I can't wait until these things are mounted, because I think the 350 set will look absolutely fantastic. So I'm gonna take that one. Thank you so much, Luca. Okay guys, so a pretty awesome day at the workshop comes to man. So in summary, we installed the side skirts at Nate's 350Z and they look really good. Okay, I really like the view. Also, we fixed the bumper, as you saw in the footage before. We saw Mrs. Turbo when he placed it in. Pretty amazing. We had an absolute amazing car with the replica car from Jesse from the movie Fast and Furious. Absolutely mind blown. Okay, I mean, that was one of the cars that brought me into the hobby, that made me a car guy. So nevertheless, we will have some dinner now. If you're still watching the video until that point, go hit that subscribe button. And also, I appreciate all the support I get at the moment, all the feedback I get at the moment. Absolutely fantastic. You guys really are a blast. And with that said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Cheers. Bye bye. Oh, hey, you're still watching. Thank you so much. If you want to see more Shift-Drift Media content, you can subscribe here, or you can watch one of the latest video here. Thank you so much again for watching, and if you're not subscribed to the channel, it's about time. Have a lovely day, and we see us in the next episode. Cheers.